everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to a shelter event. Amy and Penny are up there. We're just lagging behind. I'm so out of breath. I'm knackered. It's bloody boiling. So it's a pledge donation event and basically people can come shop our stuff we've donated tomorrow, and that is the premise of the event. Come along with me. I've already found one this piece, but I'm not sure if it's going to be too big. I'm going to try it on. You should know this is a cardi. It does look really nice on, so I think I am going to get it. It'll be nice just to slouch around the house. So I think it was like leggings and a top, and this would look really cute. Some tote bags. Do you want to tell us what's inside your tote bag? Oh, there's chocolate. I think it's a calendar for our donations. Chocolate.
Some
leaflets. So exciting. We love a free tote.
Get the calendar back in.
Whoop whoop. Chris, I'm going to tell you what flavour they are, and in my head this is a really good idea.
Chicken rosemary or something?
Yeah, that was thrilling. 13 seconds of content. Nice, I like them. Footage. Smile aesthetic footage. Hannah, that's not aesthetic footage. I think.
No one will be able to tell that it's a line across my whole
bag. I'm going to be good and not get it. Amy's in the background of this. You know, I thought I was a bit embarrassing for putting that and then put it on a mannequin. My little tag. We are just walking to a restaurant Amy's booked. We picked up some friends. We're all going. Everyone be in the vlog. Hi vlog. Yeah, we're just walking to the restaurant. We're already late. We've got extra people, but hopefully they let us in. Yay! Hello everyone, I realise this vlog footage ended very suddenly. That's going to be a trend for a couple of the vlogs I've got going up. My big Essex thrift trip, which is the next video you'll see, that ends quite abruptly as well. But both times quite chaotic. But the shelter event was so lovely. It was so nice. It was quite an intimate event. There wasn't like too many people there. Obviously I went with the girls, which was really nice. And it was so fun. And afterwards we went out for dinner with Sorrel and Lauren as well. And it was just a really lovely evening. It's such a good idea, and donating more is something I definitely want to do. As you guys know, a lot of my stuff goes on Depop, but I've got so much on there that I've been on there for so long that I probably will end up just donating it. And it's nice to know that like good quality pieces are getting taken into the charity shops. I only picked up 2 things. I was going to pick up nothing. I was going to be really good, and then I walked in. Well, I will literally, as soon as I walked in, I spotted this, and you would have seen this a lot in the vlog footage, but it's just this cardigan. It's got kind of flowers and scrambled egg pattern. It's checkerboard, and it is just so fun. I actually have been wearing this today, and it's just the softest. It's really quite heavy. Now this was £30, but it's really heavy. Really good quality. I reckon this would have been quite a lot new, and although I was worried it was going to fit super big, it actually fits fine. The sleeves are a little bit long, however they have got this little hand warmer bit in it, so I think that's probably why they're a little bit longer, because they have the extra hand warming section. But yes, really cute. Absolutely obsessed with this. And then the only other thing I picked up was this dress. Now me and Hannah had both spotted this because Shelter had shared it. The lady who donated it had posted what she was going to come and donate on the event, and we both saw it. And then on the way there I was like, Hannah, did you by any chance spy that pink and orange dress? Because me and Hannah are the same size and we have similar styles sometimes, so I think we were both kind of eyeing this up, and we saw them put it out and I ran. And Hannah was like, you got there first. But I thought that it would be a nice one that we could both share. So I'm thinking kind of if she ever wants it, she can borrow it, and then like vice versa, we can just kind of share it. This is £10. It is unbranded. It is just this midi dress. It buttons up down the front. It's quite low cut, and I don't think you'll really get away with a bra with it, so I think I'll need some boob tape. So once I find some boob tape, I will try this on and show you on my Instagram when I manage to style it. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, amazing for summer. I'm thinking summer barbecues. I'm thinking summer parties. I just think it's absolutely stunning. Really, really just a lovely, lovely piece. So very glad I picked that up. Well, this is quite a short video, but it is a video nonetheless, and I didn't want to buy it too much. They did also give us a tote bag, which I've been using. They also gave us some chocolate and just some leaflets in here as well. They gave us this donation calendar to kind of show you what to donate in each section, and they just want you to tick off, so you donate kind of a couple of items a month. So there's room for sort of 5-ish items on each calendar. I think it's a really good idea, and I actually kind of stick this inside that cupboard and try and at least donate 5 things a month. I think it's a really good idea and nice to, you know, get things. If you don't have a shelter shop near you, you can send stuff off, and it's just an amazing idea. So yeah, I got that, a couple of leaflets just about the pledge and things like that. And yes, I'm really, really excited to get donating more and more throughout this year. I think my plan is, the stuff I've got on Depop at the moment, I'll probably leave on Depop for a bit. I've got 2 big bags that I was going to boot sales. I think I'm going to do 2 or 3 boot sales, and then whatever doesn't sell in that, I'm going to have donated. Such a good idea. We need more donations, and if you've got higher quality pieces, definitely think about donating them as well. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video, albeit a bit chaotic. So subscribe if you haven't already, comment if you've ever donated some items to a charity shop, or what's your favourite item you found in one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.